Good afternoon, it's Mark Packge with Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2015 GMC Denali 2500 crew cab. Give you a shot of the engine compartment here. It's got the 6.6 liter turbo diesel. Front grille looks excellent. Front bumper looks great as well. There's two little paint chips right here, but I'm going to have those touched up. Lower valance looks good. This has the front parking sensors in the front bumper. Lower driving lamps. This is the front left tire and wheel. Does have running boards. Has another extra little bed step back here, right at the front of the rear bed. Left rear tire and wheel. Looking down the side, I don't see any. You're not gonna be able to see it in the video, but I don't see any door dings or anything. It's a very straight vehicle. This does have a Lear camper shell. The previous owner did set it up to where when you use the remote control to lock the vehicle, it also locks the hatch for the camper shell. Here's the rear bumper with the rear park assist sensors. Does have a bed liner. This is the right left tire and wheel. Looks like it's also had some degree of undercoating, which is nice. And again, looking down the right side, same thing. I don't see any scratches or dings. It looks really good. It's the front right tire and wheel. This has the window tint up front as well, and the nice rain guards too. All-weather floor mats, the WeatherTechs. Seat bolster looks great. The power seat on both sides. It's got the center console. Sunroof. Power rear sliding window. And this is, of course, the Denali. Bose sound system. Doors look excellent. This truck has been very well cared for. Moving to the back seat. Here's the door. Again, the all-weather floor mats go all the way across the back. It does have under-seat storage as well. Seats look great. Going around to the driver's side. This is the driver door. 2-position driver memory. The sill looks excellent. Driver's seat. Bolster looks great. Heated steering wheel. Lane departure warning. Forward collision alert. This is the passenger seat, the rear passenger seat behind the driver. And again, the under storage box, very nice. And there you have it. That's the 2015 GMC Denali 2500 HD. I'm going to get this video into Rebecca. She'll get it uploaded and over to you. Thanks for watching.